Okay, my name is Damien and welcome to beautiful event at W. It's Destination Luxury David's birthday. So, and today August 8 p.m. and we have beautiful evening. We have a special guest and one of our guests is, what's your name?
I go by E-Rock. I'm a radio host here in Los Angeles. I run a show called Revolver Underground. It's for independent artists from all over the world, and just love to support independent music.
Thank you, welcome. And what brought you here?
Well, actually, it's as simple as just being on the beach. I just wanted to be closer to the water. But actually, there's a lot of entertainment here in Los Angeles. You can go out any night of the week and find something to do, whether it's going out to eat some food or see a live show or just kind of network with other people around the city. There's always something to do here. So that's very appealing to me.
Think you like quality. What's your opinion and feelings? It's a luxury. What's luxury for you?
Oh man, just hanging out and enjoying just ridiculously amazing things that you can do. I mean, we're sitting here at the W Hotel. I mean, what better luxury than that right there? So just hanging out with great people and just being able to converse and have a good conversation and just be surrounded by smart people, I suppose. Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome to beautiful time and enjoy.
Thank you very
Nice
much. You too.
Blessings.